Hello everyone, I'm Shresht, and this is Zero Gravity Private Chat. Every day, billions of messages are sent to AI chatbots, and every single one of them is stored on corporate servers that you don't control. Zero Gravity Private Chat changes that. It's a fully functional AI chatbot where messages are processed inside hardware enclaves, encrypted on decentralized storage, and proven on chain. So let me show you how it works. For now, I'll be using localhost to show you the demo. This is because I want to show you the backend logs, but you can test everything that I'm going to do right now on this versatile deployed link. So let us begin. I'll click on Start Private Chat. I'll connect my wallet for the full experience. So connect. Fair. Now, let me ask it a question. Explain how zero knowledge proofs. Uh, explain how zero knowledge proofs can be used to improve healthcare data sharing. So, this message is being sent to the zero gravity compute router, which routes it to a TE attested provider node. The AI model 22.5 runs inside a TDX trusted execution environment. Not even the node operator can see what I'm asking. So this is the entire answer. So these zero knowledge proofs can significantly enhance the security and privacy like this. The first is of course privacy preserving, anonymity, data masking, and all of this. So at the bottom of this response, you can see TE verified, a zero gravity compute. This confirms that the response came from a verified hardware enclave and not a centralized server. So let me ask it a follow-up. What are the risks of storing the data on centralized servers? What are the risks of storing this data on centralized servers? So the AI is going to give me a relevant contextual response. The same experience as ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini, but fundamentally private. So you can see the response right here. So storing healthcare data can possess several significant risks like data breaches, privacy violations, and all of that. Now let me show you another feature. I'll save this conversation to zero gravity. So it's encrypting and updating. Meanwhile, let me show you what happens at the backend. So these are the backend logs. You can see that the process for saving it has started. So this is the entire first node select status, and you can see that this is being split. Process is the tasks are being run in parallel, and all of these have succeeded. Now I've also got a MetaMask transaction, and let me confirm it. So I'll confirm it. So this essentially records the content hash and Merkle root on the zero gravity mainnet, creating an immutable proof that this conversation exists without revealing its contents. So you can see this transaction that occurred 34 seconds ago on the chain scan zero gravity explorer, and you can also see the storage scans, and just 1 minute ago there was something stored on this storage scan. So the conversation is now encrypted across decentralized storage nodes, and there is a permanent record on the blockchain. So let me show you that this data actually persists. I'll go here, I'll go to recover saved conversations, and I'll decrypt this. So it's decrypting for now, but just in a moment I'll have right. So you can see the entire decrypted conversation. The app downloads the encrypted data from zero gravity storage, rederives the AES 256 key, and decrypts it. Here's my full conversation recovered entirely from the decentralized network. So you can see this is entirely the same thing as what I got the first time. So this is what data sovereignty is. I own this conversation, not a company, not a server, not an operator, me. So zero gravity private chat integrates all three layers of the zero gravity stack. Compute for TE attested inference, storage for encrypted persistence, and chain for on-chain proof. Together, they prove that decentralized AI is not just a concept, it's a working product. The AI privacy crisis is real. Zero Gravity Private Chat is a solution. Thank you so much. You can read more about the project on this GitHub link right here, where it has all the architecture diagrams and all the choices that I've made, and our future roadmap as well. Thank you so much for listening to me. Bye bye.